Waves and how to describe them. First, let's look at waves. We have a transverse wave, and we need to add to it what we might call a normal, like so. First, you need to know how to work out what the wavelength is. This is sometimes referred to as lambda. The wavelength is measured between the two crests of a wave, or alternatively between the two troughs in a wave, like so. Next is the amplitude, A. This is the distance between the normal and the trough of a wave, or the normal and the crest of the wave. So there's the crest, the trough and the normal, all again parts of waves. One term that is often heard of in waves is this one, it's frequency. But just what is frequency? Well, it's the number of waves per second. This can change according to the speed of the wave and also the wavelength. Period. This is the time it takes for one wave to pass a set point. So here we have the wave equation. You should understand in this that F here stands for frequency and lambda here stands for wavelength. Most waves involve vibrations of matter. This is true for both longitudinal waves and transverse waves. More energy is carried along by the wave if the matter vibrates at a larger distance from its normal position. The furthest distance that a layer of matter moves from its normal position is called the amplitude of the wave. This is a distance. When noises are loud and seas are rough, the amplitude of the waves are quite considerable. Our ears can hear noises or notes of different pitches, high or low. A high note has a high pitch and a high frequency. That means the wavelength is quite short, or the waves are passing a point very quickly. It can tell how frequently the compressions are arriving. The compressions and rarefactions, that's the spreading of particles, when they arrive, make your eardrum vibrate at the same frequency as the arriving wave. You can sometimes change this if you yawn. In particular, for those who understand music, doubling the frequency of a musical note usually means raising it to an octave higher than it originally was.